Every project starts with a vision. Yours, the early mornings, the long days, the pressure to deliver something that lasts. That responsibility is yours to carry. That's why you need more than just concrete. You need a partner that works just as hard as you do. For over 8 years, Instacrete has stood alongside builders, engineers, and dreamers, delivering consistency, precision, reliability when it matters most. Because every structure tells a story of effort, of commitment, of hands that never settle for less. And when everything is on the line, you deserve concrete you can trust. For reliable ready-mix concrete, contact Instacrete today.